We can tie a rope like a belly instead of rope from here to
Any rule broken? 17.
Sir,
Where are you standing?
That's number 4.
I think the rope will go down like this.
No, we will also tie it also round from here.
Yeah.
Tie it as an 8 figure.
You'll have to put this ahead first. Sir. Where you want me to put? Yeah, tie it like this. Like this? Yes.
Just number 15. Make a tight rope.
Will it be stable?
Make sure that it will not move.
They're thinking like that.
Just number 4. Pass the rope.
We need back support to that place of the flange. What we have to do? Like we have to
Please
tie the rope.
put the balloon.
Yes. Nice. Just number 32. Not like this.
Put a belly over
Remove it, and we have to keep the distance, increase the distance like this, and then put the plank to that reach. Yes, this is the stable idea. Yes, but tie the rope like hard.
Once
So
you
that we
put
can-
weight in it, it will go back. There will be nothing to hold the
I think instead of tying this rope,
No, but we will need the rope as the
we'll
back
remove,
support.
open that rope.
We'll need
We need the rope so that this doesn't move.
It will move.
How? No, it will not move.
We want it to be ahead.
So we can pull it ahead and then tie.
हाँ ये हो जाएगा.
करके दिखाओ.
मैं करती हूँ. I'll do it.
अरे स्टेबल
मैं करूँ? अब 1 मिनट पीछे हो जाती हूँ.
Nothing is broken. Ready? स्टेबल सर.
Yes, it's stable.
रिंग को भी अभी जा सकते हैं इसके.
दिखाओ.
सर इसके ऊपर
स्टेबल भाई. वो थोड़ा सा उधर से ध्यान रखना, उस साइड पैर मत रखना.
हाँ stable है बिल्कुल.
हाथ लगा.
छोड़ दे इसको, नहीं वो
Now what?
Yes. बस हाँ बस आगे करोगे तो पास में ले रो. अरे we can put a
Any rule? क्या?
हाँ इसको नीचे. That's not required.
So what the distance? Distance? Isn't it diagonally? It is more than 4 feet.
Instead of doing this, we can put the rope under this structure, under this rectangle structure, so that it could be stable.
Back side of the plank. And tie the rope towards the back side of the plank.
At the back will not provide the support from the back side.
No,
of
it will provide a counterweight towards the back side.
No, it will not. If we will put our step ahead of the plank, it will go up. Instead of doing that. So
Chest number 17, place your foot in front because you place it back.
Can I go there, sir?
I think guys, instead of doing this, we can.
ये बोल रहा ना भाई, the rope is touching the.
अरे कुछ नहीं, ये सही स्टेबल है ये. वैसे भी स्टेबल है ये. अगर थोड़ा
Put that belly on this. Give me that in the middle of that structure.
Tie the plank on the structure
पीछे फिगर ऑफ 8 बनाएंगे.
because if there is counterweight in the back, it can go forward. We need something.
Make a loop over there.
So that the weight
I am putting this loop over there. फिर क्या फायदा होगा, वो तो वैसे भी नीचे नहीं आएगा. You are asking for the figure of 8, right?
The side structure.
Figure of 8 can also work. Otherwise, you can tie it.
But then the diagonal distance.
This portion is broken. ऊपर वाला.
Side more.
Make one more. Make one more.
Shift the plank a little bit ahead.
अरे बताती मैंने उसको अच्छे से.
Distance.
The distance is less than 4 feet.
It is more than 4 feet. चलो. चलो.
Come on, move. You don't have to do that.
Okay. No use of force. No use of force.
Yeah, no use of force. छोड़ दो उसको.
बहुत अच्छा बनाया मैंने इसको.
Plank.
सारे broken. All the rows broken. Yeah.